Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again today. Thanks for coming on this cold day in January. We're back. I'm Kim.
I'm Steph. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. We're here for the January Beekeepers Buzz in the Northeast region. So we thought we'd take you outside for a minute in this cold weather. We wanted to check out the hives, and we actually were going to come and brush away snow that had collected on the front. But as you can see, it was about 50 degrees today. The bees did it for us, which I think is remarkable. So you can actually see there are some bees out here today. They pushed the snow off, and they are dragging the dead bees out of the front of the apiary. I think it's incredible, so we just wanted you to see it. I don't know if I'm going to go and push the dead bees. I may go in there and do that, but if you can see, they are pulling the dead bees out. I think it's amazing.
It's wild.
Yeah. We're going to go around and brush some snow off the bottom just to make sure that it stays away from the bottom of the fence here. I don't have to brush the snow off. I think I'm just going to leave the bees alone. I was going to brush the bees, but there are some live bees that are coming out and taking the bees out. They're not clogging anything, so I am actually going to leave it be.
No pun intended.
And I might come out at another day when it's colder to brush the bees away. We really don't want to bother them, especially when they're out like this, because if they sense any type of danger or predators, they're all going to start coming out, and it's getting colder now. We don't want to risk any more bees dying, so we don't want to be responsible for that. So I think we're just going to brush the bottom of the yard off. There are a bunch of dead bees out in the snow. It looks like a lot of bees. It's honestly really not that many that are dead here. I think it's a beautiful sign just to see the live bees taking the dead ones out. So really exciting. We just wanted to share that with you.
And as we're standing here filming, there are literally bees. One just went back into the hive.
Yeah.
With all the snow.
Incredible. There's a little bit of ice still on the front of this one. I'll just go ahead and brush it off since we're here.
Be careful.
Thank you.
Yay. That was easy. I guess.
Great. I'm just excited that they're still
out and
alive.
flying.
We went through a really cold spell, so.
Okay, that looks good. Get the snow away.